Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Skillweb. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create table format in Microsoft Excel. So let's get into the video. So first open your Excel workbook that contains the table you want to clear the formatting from. Now click anywhere inside the table you want to remove formatting from. Navigate to the Table Design tab. This tab appears when your table is selected and it's where you manage table formatting. Now in the Tools group, click on Convert to Range. A confirmation dialog box will appear. Confirm by clicking Yes. Excel will instantly remove the table formatting and your data will appear as a regular range of cells. That's it. Hope this video helped you out. If it did, please like, comment and share, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.